once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your sweet girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna make a glamorous, never seen before candle holders. Okay, I'm gonna make a set of 2, but I'm gonna do one on camera and then I'll show you the next one after. All right, to get into this video, guys, you need one of these flower candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I have some rhinestone here, some small ones. You can get them at the Dollar Tree or the dollar store. I got these from the dollar store. And these as well, the bigger ones, you can get them from the dollar store, but sometimes the Dollar Tree might have them. You just have to watch and check often. Okay guys, I'm gonna use some marbles I have before. The Dollar Tree have them as well in different colors. And guys, these are really pretty. You can get them at the Dollar Tree or the dollar store. You just have to watch when they come and then you got to stock up on them. However, I found these at the thrift store and I paid 50 cents each for one, and I have 6 of these I'm gonna use. I also have this candle holder as well. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. And over here I have my little mixing bowl, and I'm gonna use some silver glitter and some Mod Podge, and I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter on the edge of this one. And I have my E6000, my Gorilla Glue, this is a clear one, and my glue gun and my glue sticks. All right, let's get into the video. I'm gonna add some glitter around my my little rose here, and these are so handy dandy. You can get them now guys at the dollar store or Walmart, Amazon, whichever. I'm just gonna add a little bit about that, and then I'm gonna add my glitter. And now I'm gonna paint some, not all of it. Just like this guys, I'm gonna leave it to dry and then I'm gonna add another coat. And now guys, I'm gonna glue all of these together. I'm gonna stack them. Okay, first I'm gonna turn this upside down like that, and then it comes with a groove, and if you set it like this, it falls in the groove just like that, won't move. And for that, I'm gonna use my Gorilla Glue. And all you have to do, just set it in. Now for this part, I'm gonna use my E6000 and my hot glue gun. So I'm gonna turn this upside down. Just like that guys. You want to leave it to dry, and then I'm going to come back in a little bit. All right my peeps, it's dry somewhat, but it still needs to be dry. So I have this flat candle holders here, and I'm going to take my time. I'm going to set it on top. I'm going to try and middle it. And now I'm going to use these marble, and I'm going to fit them in the middle, in the crease, just like that. And then I'm going to use some of these gems and I'm going to top it up right around. When you're using the Gorilla Glue, it takes long to dry, a longer period of time. So you have to set it somewhere where it doesn't move, okay? So because this is, they are on the bottom base, I can use my Gorilla Glue. And once it dry, guys, it won't move. I'm gonna add some more, one more row, just like that, on top. And now to top it off, I'm gonna add some of these small rhinestones into the groove right here. I totally forgot to glue this centerpiece down to this base. However, it won't move because I glue all of this around it, but I just want to be safe, so I'm gonna go in with my Gorilla Glue because it's clear, and I'm gonna touch it right in the corner just like that, and I'm gonna do the entire thing. This is how I paint it with my Mod Podge and my glitter. And now I'm gonna use some E6000 and I'm gonna set it in the middle. Just like that. Look how beautiful it is. And I'm gonna use the leftovers of these gems and I'm gonna put one in between right here. I'm gonna clean it up and then I'm gonna show you the final result. Wow, look at my crystal candles, guys. I made a next one, so I make one more, so it's a set of 2. There you have it, guys. Look at the details on it. Look at that, guys. Yes, yes. And I add a little bit of lights from the Dollar Tree. I pay $1.25. It comes in a pack of 2. And guys, this is the final result. I'm super proud of myself. This is beautiful for a wedding centerpiece, for anniversary, special occasion, or to sell, or just to give as a gift. You can do whatever you want with your little beanie tea light candles. Beautiful, glamorous, and nice. You can add a smaller one as well, or you can make it taller. You can add anything on top, but I choose to add these beautiful roses. And look at the bottom, guys. Yes, blingy, lots of bling, lots of crystals. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love, and be blessed, and put God first. Wow, wow.